If you're asthmatic or you have someone in your house who suffers from asthma, listen carefully. Some of the things that triggers this attack may not be outside your home. It may be in your bedroom, your kitchen, on your clothes, or even your cleaning products. Asthma happens when the airway becomes inflamed and narrowed, leading to difficulty in breathing. But for many people, asthma attack is not random. It can be triggered by simple things we do at home every day. So, if you're asthmatic or someone in your house has asthma, these are things you should stop or reduce immediately. Hello everyone, this is your trusted nurse. Today, let's talk about those things you should avoid if you or someone living in your house is asthmatic. Number 1, do not smoke or vape in your house or car. Listen carefully. Even second-hand or third-hand smoke or smell left on your curtain, your clothes, or your car seat can irritate the lungs and trigger an asthmatic attack. Number 2, avoid strong perfume, hairspray, incense, scented candle, air freshener, and heavy cleaning products. Many of these things I mentioned can release chemicals and fragrance that can irritate a sensitive airway, thereby causing asthmatic attack. Number 3, do not allow dust to build up in your house. Maintain a good personal and environmental hygiene. Wash your beddings and your pillows regularly. Clean your rugs and your carpets. Please, if possible, avoid the fluffy pillow around someone with asthma. Number 4, if you have mold in your house or your house is damp, please do not overlook this. Mold can grow in the bathroom, in the kitchen, basement, or wet walls. So if your house is leaking, try as much as possible to fix it quickly. Dry wet areas and keep humidity under control because breathing in mold can trigger asthmatic attack. Number 5, do not allow your pet to sleep in your room, especially if you notice that the hairs on their skin triggers your asthma. Number 6, do not leave food crumbs, dirty dishes, or open trash around because cockroaches and pests can worsen asthmatic attack. Listen carefully. Asthma attack is not about inhaler. It's also about controlling the environment. Keep your home free from mold, dust, fragrance, and pests. And most importantly, everybody with asthma should have an asthma action plan from their healthcare provider. Listen carefully. If your breathing becomes difficult, your wheezing is worsening, or your rescue inhaler is not helping, please seek urgent medical attention. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to press the subscribe or follow button, comment, like, and share this video.